Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to multiply any number by 50 in your head super quickly. And I know what you guys probably think, that I'm going to tell you to multiply the number by 5 and then add a 0 at the end. But no, this trick is even simpler than that. So it's actually very similar to our multiplying by 25 trick, which was my last video, and if you haven't checked that out already, make sure to go do so. I'll just jump right into it with an example so you guys can understand. So the first example is 37 times 50. And so what you're doing is, if you remember from the multiply by 25 video, you would divide the non-25 number by 4. But in this, you're going to divide the non-50 number by 2. And if this wasn't clear in the multiplying by 25 video, I'll just make it clear in this video. The reason we're doing this is because there are 4 25s in 100, right? So 25 times 4 equals 100, and 50 times 2 equals 100, which is why you're dividing the other number by 4 or 2 respectively. And it's just a pretty easy trick to get you to remember what you have to divide the other number by, right? So just get right into it. 37 divided by 2. And 37 divided by 2 is 18 with a remainder of 1. And I'm going to give you guys a chart similar to what I gave you in the multiply by 25 video. So if the remainder is 0, at the end, you're going to write 0, 0, just like before. And if the remainder is 1, you're going to write a 50 at the end. Yeah, that's all. It's as simple as that, because you can't have any more remainders besides 1. So that's all it is. And since we have a remainder of 1, we're just going to say 18 with a 50 at the end, and that's our answer. And once again, just please make sure to remember this. It's pretty easy, but it is literally the key to being able to solve these questions. So I'll give you an example or two more. Okay. And this time we're going to do 24 times 50. And another really easy way to remember this is basically if the non-50 number, so in this case the 24, the number that isn't 50, if that number is even, you're going to have a 0, 0 at the end, because if you remember, it says if you have a remainder of 0 at the end of your product, you're going to have a 0, 0. And so your remainder is always going to be 0 if the number is even, and if the number is odd, you're going to have a remainder of 1. So that should make things a little bit easier. So I'm just going to go ahead and divide 24 by 2, which is 12, with the remainder of 0. So our answer is just 1200. It's as simple as that, and I will give you guys one more example. And please do make sure to pause this video and solve it on your own first, and then we can compare our answers. So I'm just going to do 45 times 50. And so 45 divided by 2 is 22 with a remainder of 1. So our answer is 2250, because if you have a remainder of 1, according to our chart back here, at the end you need to put a 50. So I hope this video made sense to you guys and it helped you learn how to multiply by 50 super easily in your head without having to write anything down on paper. So yeah, hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, all of that. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!